What is going on, everybody? In today's video we are going to be talking about something that is very interesting. We are going to be talking about how much I have made on YouTube ever since I got monetized, or rather how much I have made on YouTube as a Forex YouTuber. This is money I made strictly on YouTube. All right, so if you do not know me, my name is Tochi Eke. I appreciate you for coming back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, kindly smash that subscription button. If you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome. So at the time I'm making this video, my channel is at 3,000 subscribers. All right, so this is the money I've made from the first day I got monetized up to this stage with what, 3,000 subscribers. So if that's the video you want to watch, stay tuned to the end of this video, because I'm going to also be sharing some tips on the best way for you to start your own trading channel. So before we get to the video, all right, for you to start making money on YouTube, you need to get monetized, and for you to be monetized on YouTube, you need to reach what, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour within a duration of 1 year. Now that you have known that, after you are done getting monetized, which is you meeting up with those criteria, then you need to do some verifications which YouTube will require. All right, you need to verify your address and verify your identity. If you are in Nigeria, then you want to use your voter's card to do all those verifications. After you're done verifying your identity, you have to verify your address, and that is where YouTube will send you a pin, all right, via Google Ascent. If you go over to YouTube, you see many people telling you, I got my pin, my first YouTube paycheck, So basically YouTube is going to send you money, is going to send you a pin to your local postal office. So you go to the post office, get the pin, input it, and then you have your address verified. But if you are in Nigeria, due to the poor service we have here in Nigeria, postal service do not work. So what you have to do is manual verification. What I did was manual verification. I never got any pin on the pin on any postal service, so I had to do manual verification, and I just used my normal voter's card to do the manual verification, and my address was verified. So in case you are into YouTube or you are planning to do that and you encounter some of these challenges and you are in Nigeria, I hope it was able to help you. Now let's go over to my laptop screen and let me show you how much I've been able to make within the duration time that I have been monetized on YouTube. So if you come over to my analytics, if you come over to my YouTube channel analytics, you tend to see that what's the price I'm currently seeing is how much I made in the last 28 days. That is $51. All right, but like I did say, I'm going to be showing you how much I've made since I got monetized. So I'll just go over here and customize this. So I will select lifetime. So it will show me how much I've made since since I actually got into the YouTube industry. All right, so now let me just make it the last 365 days. So I think I got monetized on June 11th. All right, and that's where my money started increasing. As you can see here, all right, this is where the reading started increasing. All right, the prices are increasing, and that's where the money started flowing in. All right, because all through these places I'm not yet monetized. That's why you're seeing a horizontal line here. But from the time I got monetized, you started seeing what, a curve, a form of wave, which shows the progression of how much that I've made. So now what determines how much you make on YouTube is RPM. That's what is called RPM. RPM is how much YouTube is ready to pay you per 1,000 views. Now tend to see that the general RPM on my channel is kind of low. I have 1.54, all right, dollar, which basically means per every 1,000 views YouTube is paying me $1.54. It's pretty low, because I do not know why. It's meant to be higher than this, because my channel is in the finance niche, and if you are in finance niche, it needs to be higher. All right, like 5, 4, 6, stuff like that. So me having 1.54 as RPM, I think there is something going wrong on this channel. If you know how to increase your RPM, kindly tell me about that in the comment section. Now if you are watching this video up to this extent and you are not yet a subscriber to my channel, you are not doing me a good favor. Kindly subscribe to my channel and be a part of this community. So if I go down to the last 90 days, it will be very much clearer So if I go over to the last 90 days, I think the RPM is better here, because I think when I did lifetime, YouTube actually took the average from the time I'm not yet monetized up to that time, because I got monetized. It's not up to 90 days that I got monetized. So I think this is pretty okay. As you can see, I have RPM of 3.42 here, which is pretty okay. That basically means YouTube is paying me what, $3.42 per every 1,000 views. I think this is pretty okay. All right, so if you turn over here, you tend to see how the money is increasing day by day. $8, $9, $9, $8, $5, $10. You know, I think the highest I've gotten so far, I guess, is $14 on a day. Yeah, on a day. So that's basically how the money is growing on YouTube. So now coming over to how much I've made in total on YouTube, which you can basically see here. Let me switch it over to lifetime so that it will not be as if to say there is something that's been hidden here. So as you can see, how much I've made on YouTube ever since I got monetized is what, $268.61 on YouTube. And I think it's just within the duration of 4 months. I actually got monetized like 4 months or thereabouts. So, and I've been able to make this kind of money with 3,000 subscribers. And if I check my views is not all that great. All right, so basically the more view you have on your channel is the more money you make. So imagine other traders like Jeffrey Benson, Jamie Cash, you know, Swaggy C, that has over 10,000 views per one of their videos. So imagine how much they will be making. If you go to Swaggy C, these people are even having above 100,000 views per video. So imagine how much they are making. If I'm able to make this amount of money with this small amount of views, and as low as my channel is at 3,000 subscribers, so imagine how much it will be when maybe I get to 50,000 subscribers or even 100,000 subscribers, because definitely we are getting there. All right, we are definitely going to get there. So that's why I'm being super honest with you all, because this channel is a trading community group. Whatever we do here is 100% legit, and there is no hidden stuff that is made in this video. All right, so why I'm showing this video is because I made a video earlier on where I showed you all ways on how you can start making money with Forex without trading Forex. If you have not watched that video, I will put it somewhere on the screen or in the description button. These are the things you can start doing to make money with Forex without trading Forex. This money that I made here is strictly on YouTube, which is the social media program that I talked in that video. Without trading Forex, this money came here without trading Forex, which you can basically see here. All right, so what is it trying to tell you? There are many ways you can make money with Forex without trading Forex. If you want to know those ways, just click in the link in the description and watch that video that I made. I hope this video was able to encourage someone out there to start making opportunity in the YouTube space. All right, it must not be talking about YouTube, it must not be talking about Forex trading. You can talk about anything. You can talk about anything on YouTube. You can either go there to teach what you know. All right, you can go there to show lifestyle, you know, teach a career. There are many things you can do on YouTube. I'm not a YouTube educator, so I do not really know much about how those things. This channel is in the finance niche, and whatsoever that is going to help you make money online, that's what we are going to be talking about. Yeah, so I hope this video helps and encourage you. Or if you find it very interesting, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click in the link in the description and join my Forex trading community where we meet and trade together. Yeah, so that will be all for this video, guys. I will see you in the next video. Peace and out.